So the first thing we will do is we will tell the LED. So if all of you guys, I recommended to keep like a piece of paper and a pen or pencil now. So write this down. I'll put it in the chat. So the first line that we will learn about is how do we tell the Arduino that there is something attached to pin number 3. We can attach this 3 now. This 3 can be attached to anything. It can be attached to 2. It can be attached to 7. It can be attached to 11. Anything. But we have done 3. So first thing we will do is we will tell the Arduino that this LED is attached to 3. For this, we use a command called pin mode. Got it? Like I'll put it here in the spelling and all. So write this down somewhere. Okay. Ma'am, like, can I try keeping giving everybody this thing to unmute, ma'am? So the first function we'll learn about is something called pin mode. Okay. So pin mode is the name, which basically means that we're telling Arduino, hey, something is attached to pin number 3. So we have to write 3 here. Pin mode 3. And can somebody tell me if the LED is an output or an input? You can unmute and tell me. So somebody says output. Okay.
Output.
Yeah, that's great. Yeah. So LED is an output. LED is output. Correct. So I will write output here in full capital. Done. So in the word. So that's right. This part of the code just tells the Arduino LED is attached to pin number 3 and it is the output. Okay, cool. And in the and next step, what we will do is we will tell the Arduino to turn this LED on. Okay, we'll tell it to turn it on. We'll tell it to turn on pin number 3, which is attached to LED. So it will get turned on. So electricity will go from 3. It will go all the way in this wire. It'll go through this resistor. It'll go through this LED, and it'll go off here. So that's how electricity will flow. Okay. So the command for this is something called digital write. So if you want to turn something on, you want to turn something off, you will use a command called digital write. So I send it in the chat. Everybody like copy paste it into somewhere or write it down or something. Okay. That's cool then. So digital write, and so in digital write we have to tell which pin number again. So which pin number did we choose for the LED? Can somebody tell me?
Pin mode 3.
Yes, pin mode 3. Correct. Whoever got that. So we'll have to write digital write 3, and we have to tell if you want to turn it on or off. You guys want to turn it on or do you want to turn it off? Like we can do anything.
Turn it on.
Turn it on, right? Okay. Cool. So for turn it on now, you have to write high. So if you write 3, high, it will. Let's see what happens. Okay, wait. There's a mistake in the coding. So after every line, you should put this semicolon. That's the rule in C++. We're coding in C++, by the way. So if I start this simulation after doing the coding, can everybody see the LED turn on? It's on now. Like, wait, if I turn it off, it's off now. If I turn this on, it's on. It's very dim, but it's on. Okay. So basically, using your own code, you can turn on the LED like this. Did everybody come this far? Okay, Shravan has done it. Did the coding work, Shravan? Or you've not coded it, huh? Wait, I'll just send this code to you. I sent the code in the chat. You can copy paste. You delete all that code and copy paste whatever I sent in the chat. Okay. Okay.
Sir.
Cool. Yes. Tell me.
So my coding is not working.
Coding is not working. I sent the code in the chat. So can you guys try that code? I copy paste it. Delete everything and copy paste the code I sent. Okay.
So I have a doubt.
Yes, Samriti.
So if in the coding, so means we can, if we means like the letters effect on the coding, like if there is a capital, So if you put the
Yes,
small letter, so it will affect.
Let's see what happens. Okay, this P is there now. I'll make it of capital. Let's see what happens. I made it capital. If I start, yeah, it shows error. It affects. You need to. So if P is small here, it should be small always. Like if M is capital here, it should be capital there. It's like that. So it affects. Yeah. So anyways, so copy paste this code. Okay. Tell me if it works for everybody. Like you, Sai and Shrishti, you've raised your hands. Like, do you want to say anything? Something like this. Should look something like this. Everybody sees this, huh? So we will do this code in the laptop now. So we will go.
Hello, sir.
Can somebody tell me how to turn off the
In
LED?
my life.
LED is not blinking only. Can somebody tell me what is wrong with it? Like it is just on only forever.
अरे
Why
वो
is it?
लैपटॉप पे ना सर वो आर्डिनो बोर्ड.
Sir, you have not write the milliseconds.
Yeah. Who told this? This is pretty good. Tell me your name before you answer now, because so many of you are there. I want to remember. Okay, cool. So this is because you have not told how long it should turn on and how long it should turn off. So we will use a code called delay. Sanskrit is cool. Don't worry about it. Like.
Hello.
So okay.
Hello, sir.
So, who is this?
I am Iram.
But if you do you guys know what this is? Anybody? You can unmute and tell me.
Speaker.
No, sir.
Hey, who said speaker? Rudra. Okay, it's a speaker.
This
It's a speaker.
speaker.
Yeah. So this one, no? So
Sir,
this,
it is speaker.
yes, great. Whoever understood it's a speaker, great. Good job. Okay, you guys got it. So this is a speaker. And so how this works is, how any kind of sound works is, if you take any object, okay, I'll just take my hand and start shaking it very fast, now, like super fast, it will make sound. So in order to prove this, right, put your hand on your throat like this, and like say something. Start speaking. Like if you speak now, you can feel your throat vibrating very
Sir,
fast.
it is vibrating.
Yes, exactly. It's vibrating, right?
Sir,
And
it is vibrating.
It is vibrating.
yeah, if you speak in a low voice, right? If you speak like a very low voice, it'll vibrate differently. If you speak in a high voice, it'll vibrate differently. So exactly. So sound is basically just vibration. That's it. So this speaker also, right? You see this black color thing, right? In the speaker also vibrates very fast. If you have Bluetooth speaker and stuff, when you play music, you can actually see it vibrating. Have you seen that? Like all that JBL speaker and all those things. Anyways, so what we will do is, we will take the speaker and we will give it electricity. We'll give it vibrating electricity. We'll take a switch to it. We'll do on off very fast. We'll do. Okay, don't try it on your normal switch and oil break. So yes, Samriddhi.
So actually I have opened the tinkercad.com. So there are options like welcome back something. It is email or username something option, and sign in with Google.
Go do sign in with Google.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, cool. Okay, so like we will learn how to make sound. That's basically, I'll just show you how it's gonna work. Okay, I'll share my screen again. And so you see this thing, right? Same circuit will use, same code will use. So this code is on and off code now. It basically makes this LED turn on and off. Everybody can see this LED turning on and off, right, in front of me. So I'll take okay, I'll take this LED, I'll delete it off, and I will look for speaker. So if I look for speaker, I find this component called piezo speaker. Okay, this is a different kind of speaker. Don't worry about it. It's speaker only. Speaker is speaker. Okay, so I will take this speaker and I'll attach one wire to ground. I'll attach one wire to number 3. Same thing you guys had told me. You guys want to change the pin number, or you want to keep it at number 3 only? What is your preference? Somebody wants to change number, you can tell me. It's cool. Okay, I guess you guys don't want to change it. Okay, let's be number 3 only. So I take the speaker, I connect it to the same. Okay, Omkar, tell me, Omkar, I have something to say. Okay, cool. So you take the speaker and you attach it to the same pins that you had attached to the LED. One side goes to GND, one side goes to whichever pin of your choice. Okay. So let's go and make this delay very, very small. Let's make it 2. Let's make this 1. Okay. So what I'm doing is I'm telling the Arduino to turn on, turn off the speaker. Now I'm telling it to turn it on, turn it off very, very fast. Like you can't even imagine that that much fast it's doing. Okay. So if I click start simulation, let's see what happens. Everybody heard that? So we just made sound. We use the same LED code, and we just told wait for this long, and it makes sound. That's all. It's that simple. Okay. So you guys give me numbers between 1 and 5 because this is very, very small, right? We need to turn it on very, very fast. So number should be very small. So smaller number, faster the speed. That's how you can learn. Okay, you're putting in the chat, right? You guys can actually unmute and tell me. Don't worry about it. You guys, I think, can you guys unmute now, or is the thing gone? Okay. Ma'am, I can't access the chat for some reason. Okay, wait. Okay, cool. It's fine. It's fine. Like,
Yeah.
yes. What's up?
Sir.
Just click on and off. You can basically tell the Arduino that what kind of sound to make. Got it, right? So anyways, so one more thing, right, about sound. Can somebody tell me this? I'll ask you a question, okay? So if the sound is vibrating fast, is the pitch high or the pitch is low? So, like if this thing, the black color thing, it's moving very, very fast. Is it high pitch or is it low pitch?
Sir,
Yes, why?
Sir, I have typed that code, but it is
This
for
now
me.
working.
Sorry.
Okay,
Yes,
send the code in the chat.
sir.
Okay? Copy
Sir,
paste.
I am also doubt. Sir, I am also doubt.